Good day, professional colleagues across the globe. You are welcome to Digital Tools. In this presentation, we'll be looking at the practical application of one of the most popular artificial intelligence tools in accounting. By looking at this in accounting, we'll make specific reference to financial accounting and corporate reporting. In the introductory presentation I did, I mentioned that during the course of research and training in artificial intelligence that I've been carrying out for the past 4 or 5 months in the United States, I've discovered a minimum of 15 AI tools that will be very relevant in the practice and teaching of accounting. I will just mention some of them, then I'll pick one, then we'll apply and see how it works. We have the Excel formula bot. With this Excel formula bot, you can use it to generate financial template or any other template of your choice without you passing through the rigors of using the spreadsheet the way we normally use it. We have the Quill bot, we have the consensus.app, we have the Slides AI, we have the Scholastic, that is for research, we have the Skite, we have Trinker, we have the Semantic Scholar, it's also for those in research. We have the Chatgpt, we have the Chatsonic, we have Copymatic that can help you to generate content and perform all other things for you. We have the Quiz Gecko, that one is for questions. You want to set questions based on the contents of your notes, contents of the notes you have given to students. Then we have in Namilex, we have the beautiful.ia, we have the plagiarism checker and content rewriter. Then we have the translator. We have various type of artificial intelligence tool. The particular one we are going to demonstrate briefly that will help us in the teaching and practice of accounting is the Chatgpt. And the very first step for you to access the Chatgpt is to launch your browser. As I'm saying it, let me just share my own screen. If I come here, I've used Firefox here now. You can use any other browser. The first thing you will do is to type, once you launch your browser, you type chat.openai.com. Then you press enter. What you are seeing on the screen now is the Chatgpt dashboard. But for the person that is using this AI tool for the first time, there will be need for you to sign up. And the steps to signing up, very, very straightforward and easy. You can check one of the earlier presentation I've published on my YouTube channel. You will see all those steps on how to sign up Chatgpt. Once you are done with this signing up, can you see from here, we have examples, we have capabilities, we have limitations. This particular artificial intelligence tool is telling you that I have limitations. So you cannot rely on the solution you get from me 100%. From my own little research I've done, there are some questions I've solved manually myself. I know the solution I have very correct. I now try to compare the solution, the Chatgpt or the AI tool will give to me. And I discover there were variations. And that's why I'm still emphasizing that we should not rely on artificial intelligence to 100%. The place of human brilliance and intelligence cannot be overemphasized when it comes to the use of artificial intelligence. Now, I have a question here. Just listen to the very first question that I want the AI tool to solve for us. A parent company owns 75% of the issued share capital of a subsidiary. The subsidiary company owns a building that has a carrying amount of $1 million on its books, but has a fair value of $1.5 million. How much should be recognized as goodwill in the consolidated financial statement, assuming that the parent company acquired the subsidiary at the beginning of the current financial year? Professional colleague, all you just need to do, go back to the Chatgpt platform and paste that question there. And as soon as you paste the question, then you click that search and watch. Within some few minutes, sometimes seconds, the solution will pop up as you are reading on the screen. As long as you see the dot here blinking, it's telling you the content is still being generated. So you wait until the AI tool is done with the generation of the content and solution. Now it's done. When you have this here, see the solution. In this case, we need to determine the amount of goodwill to be recognized in the consolidated financial statement, which is the excess of the cost of investment over the subsidiary's assets. You continue that and you see the final solution here. And the goodwill to be recognized is $168,750. You can copy this and go and paste in a document, Word document. But how do I clear the content here so I can use it for another question or another task? You can come here. The moment I reload, I just click on reload there, everything is gone. Then I can come here, look at another question. See, this is a case of interpretation of financial statement. And the question says, calculate the following ratios for Abuja Limited and comment on your answers. A, return on capital employed, gross margin, net profit margin, rate of inventory turnover, current ratio, asset test ratio. And the same question gives us the income statement and the statement of financial position of Abuja Limited. Again, all you need to do is to go to the AI tool and paste the question. At first, if you look at this very well, it appears as if the question scattered, but that is the power of artificial intelligence, ability to read questions and to give reason to them, to reason them out. So once you do this, the next thing is for you to ask Chatgpt to generate the solution or content by clicking on the arrow there. Watch the solution. Return on capital employed has given us the formula and has given us the figure. Gross profit margin has given us the formula and it has given us the solution. Net profit margin, the same thing. Rate of inventory turnover, the same thing. Current ratio, the same thing. Asset test ratio has given us the formula and the solution. And see the comments. The company has high return on capital employed of 35.42%, indicating that it is efficient in using its capital employed, and so on. Now with this, see the comment, see the solution. This is just one application area of this artificial intelligence tool. Others will come. We have about 15 different tools. This is just the application of Chatgpt in financial accounting and corporate reporting. You can subscribe to my channel so that as we generate more content and as we present the application of these AI tools, you will receive notification. Thank you once again for your attention.